All right, guys, today I'm going to be bringing you another video on Fibonacci retracement levels and how you can use them to profit, and not only profit, but actually make a livable income solely off of the Fibonacci retracement levels. And I know that sounds crazy, right? But I'm going to go through step by step how you can use solely the Fibonacci retracement levels to make some amazing gains, right? This is probably the easiest trading strategy, if you even want to call it a strategy, that there is. There's no technical analysis involved. It's literally a free Tradingview built-in tool. You're just drawing lines and entering trades at these levels. Like, it's not difficult at all. And I'm going to show you exactly what trades I took using the Fibonacci retracement levels as one piece, right? Obviously, once you get a little bit more advanced, there are other components when entering a trade. But if you're just getting started, you can definitely 1000%, no matter what anyone says, become extremely profitable, 70% plus win rate, just using the Fibonacci retracement levels. And it's probably higher than that, but I'm going to keep it fair and say 70%. But guys, this absolutely prints money, and I'm so excited to show you guys this, because once you really see how easy it is, like, you're just gonna be blown away, because I guarantee you every other trading video you watch is like so complex. Like, they just overcomplicate the shit out of it. All right, it's not that difficult. So I'm going to show you guys, like I said, step by step how you can do this, and we're going to start on a higher time frame and then go down to a lower time frame. So first things first, right? We're going to pretend that it's June, July, and we're actually going to go to the back test mode, just so I can be, as fair as possible. And right off the bat, you're going to draw your fib levels. All right, so get your Fibonacci retracement tool, and you can see we're in a downtrend. We're clearly in a downtrend. So what I'm going to be doing is drawing a fib from the previous swing high, right? Previous swing high to the swing low, right? Somewhere around there. And it could be right here too. Oh, it could be right here. But I'm going to draw it from right here, because this is the most notable high, right? So that's the previous swing high, and this is the swing low that we're looking at, right? All the way at the bottom right here. So we're going to be looking to take short positions at either the 0.5 or the golden pocket Fibonacci retracement levels. Now, in my settings, I only use these three. Occasionally, I'll use some other ones just to track whether the market is going to continue going in a certain direction. But usually, I'll use a golden pocket. That's usually what I use. I will have the 0.5 for higher time frames, but pretty much, besides the higher time frames, I don't even use the 0.5. I just use the golden pocket, which is the 0.618 and the 0.65. So really get this through your head that when you're drawing from a swing high to a swing low, you're looking for a short position, right? You're not looking for a long position from these levels, obviously. If we are in an uptrend and I drew the fib from a swing low to a swing high, then yes, we'd be looking for longs. I'm going to get into that in a little bit. But right now we're looking for a short position, right? All right, so I'm just going to let this play out. And I'll skip through it a little bit. All right, so I'm looking to take a short at one of these levels, right? It's coming up. Still haven't touched it yet. And I think right around here we're going to touch it. Bam, right there. I got to make this a little bit wider. But we hit the 0.5 level right there. That's where we're going to take a short, guys. You want to talk about how to snipe the absolute top? This is how, right? And I actually took a short position somewhere around here. I didn't catch the absolute top, but as soon as I saw that we failed to hold the 0.5 level or reclaim it, that's when you should have entered a short position, right? A swing failure of this level would be ideal, right? Super tight stop loss, so you're risking less than 1%, and your target really depends on what kind of trading strategy you're using. But let me draw another fib level. So probably somewhere around here at the 0.5 or the golden pocket. Looking for reactions at around those levels is where you'd be looking to actually take profit from your short. We're going to see what happens. And look what happens, right? We came to this golden pocket and we got a reaction at the golden pocket, right? So that's probably when we're going to take our profit for that trade, somewhere around there. And you can see, right, even though we're in a downtrend, we still found some support here at this golden pocket. This is also a horizontal level on easy algo, but it was also a golden pocket, right? So when you have confluence with easy algo support and resistance levels, as well as Fibonacci golden pockets, you're in the money, right? And that's what I do 90% of the time when I'm entering a swing trade position, right? So that's just one example. That's one winning trade right there. And we're gonna go back live again and see what other potential trades you could have taken using the golden pocket. All right, right away I see something right here, right? And this was actually a trade I did miss by like literally $3. I had a limit for like 22.8 and I just missed it. But this was also another golden pocket, I believe, or 0.5. I think it was a golden pocket, right? Look at this, guys. Everyone was bullish, right? Everyone was bullish. All your favorite crypto influencers were bullish, right? Oh, the CPI is going to be good. We're going up. We're going up. Little did they know, they bought right into a golden pocket, right? Come on. Come on, guys. Newbie mistake right there. Newbie mistake. How could you mess that one up? All right. We all saw this coming. We were looking for shorts this day. But, you know, again, comes up to the golden pocket. Instant dump. Like, this is literally all it is. And once I go to even lower time frames, you're going to be like, what the hell? Price just respects the living crap out of some of these levels. Like, it's honestly astonishing how well price respects these levels. Like, it's insane. So we're going to go down to a lower time frame. I want to show you guys a trade I took on the 15-minute, right? And like, once you see this, you're going to lose your mind, because you can do this on a lower time frame and it works just as well. So on the 15-minute time frame, I see a swing high right here. We're going to draw that fib from the swing high to the swing low. Look what happens. Look where price goes. Right back into that golden pocket. Right into that golden pocket. All right, and I'm still in a short from around here. Like I said, my entries have been so terrible lately, so I haven't even been catching some of the move, but I'm catching the meat of the move. But, you know, we rejected from this level, and, you know, that went down 4% in a day, guys, right? So if you're using 100x leverage, not that I would recommend that, but if you're trading Bitcoin, you're trading with Fibonacci retracement levels, I will give you permission to trade 50 to 100x leverage with a good position size. But, you know, it's just incredible. And I guarantee you this went to another fib level. I guarantee you this went to another fib level. Let's pull it out. And I haven't even looked at this yet, right? Look at that. Did it? Look at this, guys. Comes right back to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, get a little bit of a pump, comes back down to the golden pocket, and we get another pump, right? That's another opportunity if you wanted to scalp along, right? If you wanted to scalp along, you can catch a swing failure of these levels. It comes up over 1%. You take your profit, move stop to break even at least, right? That's still a winning trade. Let's see what just happened, right? This literally just happened, and we're going to go to the 5-minute time frame. Because I recorded this video before and the audio was messed up, so I had to redo it. So I didn't even enter this trade, but I was just looking at it and it was just so funny because we literally, on the 5-minute time frame, guys, came right up to that golden pocket, right? We dumped, we fell below, you know, we lost that support, fell below, came up right into that golden pocket. If you had missed the original short, there's your chance for re-entry right there. But, you know, again, comes to the golden pocket, you take a trade, and just for shits and giggles, we're gonna see something. We're gonna see if it actually, and look at that, guys. Do you notice that? Literally from this golden pocket, it goes right back down to this golden pocket for a scalp long if you want to take it. So price will play ping pong in between these levels, and I just showed you from, you know, a higher time frame down to a lower time frame how well price respects these levels. If you're not using this tool, I don't know what to tell you, because like I said, it's probably the easiest way for a beginner with no prior knowledge in trading to just draw some lines from a certain point on the chart and take the trade there. Set a limit order. Like, honestly, you don't even have to wait for a swing failure pattern. You can literally set a limit order for the 0.65 level with a tight stop loss. That's it. Right? That's it. It's not rocket science, guys. I try to make these videos as easy and intuitive as possible, because the best traders that I know, and obviously, you know, we have some fantastic traders in our Discord. If you're not in the Discord already, hit the link in the description to join the Discord. And if you don't have the Easy Algo Trading Indicator, which will help your technical analysis and will help you identify those levels and enter trades profitably, hit the first link in the description below for Easy Algo. But, you know, these traders, right, they don't use a million different indicators. Right, they use price action, and they'll use Easy Algo sometimes to help with the price action and help find those levels. But they're not using, they're not using the RSI, they're not using the MACD. They're using price action. You know, they're using Fibonacci retracement levels. So when I make videos like this, I want to make them as simple as possible, because truth be told, that's what the professional traders are doing, right? You know, we've had traders, you know, compounding $500 into $50,000 in a day, right? You know, people are talking, oh, he turned this into that in a week. No. He's done more than that in a day. We just don't talk about it, because if he shares the results on the Discord, his DMs get flooded. So we can't even share the results anymore. Like, I swear to God, right? And I've seen him do this. And these traders, this is what they're doing. So it's not rocket science, guys. Please use this tool. I'm begging you. Like, you're seeing it for yourself. You can go back and just like just back test it a little bit as well. And on the recent move, guess where we found support? We found support for the time being, right, at the 0.65 level, and we've lost that level, so I am expecting more downwards movement. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and I'll see you guys next video.